Buenos días, bienvenidos a Español 118. So I'd like to welcome you to Spanish 118. My name is Profesora Peterson, and this video is just to kind of tell you a little bit about myself. Okay? I was born in Illinois and moved to Iowa. I went to undergrad in Illinois, grad school in Iowa, so I like to say that I'm from Iowa. I have taught at ASU now for 21 years. I began in 1997, probably before some of you or most of you were even born. And I began on the Tempe campus. I taught there for 9 years, and then when the downtown campus opened, I started teaching there. I have been teaching Spanish 118 now for a few years. This year I'm changing a few things, which will actually lighten your load a little bit. Okay? I am a single mother. My daughter is 11, and we have 2 monsters. Most people will call them dogs. And we have all been living in Mesa. I've been here the longest, obviously, for 20 years. And you can tell my house is a disaster. I am also currently a PhD student through the Department of English here at ASU. I take 1 course per semester as I work full-time coordinating the lower division Spanish, so Spanish 101, 102, 201, 202, and as well teaching 118. I hope to graduate by 2025 because I'm on, obviously, a long-term plan with 1 course per semester. So, again, this is just to welcome you to Spanish 118, and I hope you enjoy the course.